Cardinal bird spiritual message. Peace. Cardinal represents the access hinge or pivotal point in one's life or lineage. The universe has heard your prayers and answers are coming. The angels are near you. Victory, passionate leadership, respect, unity, devotion, good luck, prosperity, compassion, rigor, innovative, determination, happiness, hope, persistent. To be monogamous, territorial, improve communication, confidence, stand tall and firm in your beliefs, noble, crushing false information with truth. Cardinal bird represents the element of air, root chakra for survival. To empower your chakra system, visit finally